Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Indah Sari. Today I'll present our study about augmented reality technology as a tool to support chemistry learning, a scoping review. Chemistry is a part of natural science that studies natural phenomena. Some basic concepts of chemistry are at the submicroscopic level and require thinking about natural phenomena using three levels of representation, namely macroscopic, submicroscopic, and symbolic. Chemists use symbol and chemical equation to present material and describe chemical changes as the way to communicate their observation, and it becomes obstacle in chemistry learning. Students consider as a difficult subject because it contains abstract concept and technical language. For example, they should call water as H2O or they should call salt as sodium chloride. Chemistry learners must be able to connect the microscopic world that they can see with the submicroscopic and symbolic representation. So, augmented reality or AR can be one of the solutions to overcome these difficulties because this technology can help the visualization of abstract concepts. AR technology facilitates the realization of topics through enabling 3D representation of the invisible event and provides an understanding of concepts that students frequently find difficult. Applying AR application in education, especially in chemistry learning, also have a positive impact on learning process and learners' attitude, and it can be integrated with pedagogical approaches to gain various learning outcomes. So, this scoping review aims to capture the relevant studies in the literature about AR as a tool to support chemistry learning. This study may reveal the point that how AR applications are integrated into the chemistry learning process, including the chemistry topic, pedagogical approaches or models, and learning outcomes. This study is a scoping review using Arksey and O'Malley's 5-stage framework, including identifying research questions, identifying relevant studies, study selection, charting the data, summarizing, and reporting the result were utilized in this review. The stage of identifying research questions, identifying relevant studies, and study selection will be presented in method section. But the stage of charting the data, summarizing, and reporting the result will be presented in result and discussion section. The first stage is identifying research questions. The following research questions are submitted to guide the research to capture literature that in line with the focus of this study. The second stage is identifying relevant studies. Keyword augmented reality plus chemistry learning is selected to capture literature regarding the use of AR in chemistry learning. Afterwards, inclusion and exclusion criteria were developed to get insight about the aspect that can be included to summarize the selected studies. Table 1 shows the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Time period criteria for inclusion is the last 10 years, and for the exclusion is outside this time period. Study focus criteria for inclusion is studies relating to design an AR application for chemistry learning or apply in educational purposes, and for the exclusion is studies that design an AR application not for chemistry learning. And for the participant criteria for inclusion is students and teachers or lecturers in educational setting, and for the exclusion is informal participant in which there is no educational purpose. The third stage is study selection. The article selection process on this study followed the PRISMA model as shown in Figure 1. Records identified through database searching were 161 articles, and on records screened, there were 114 articles that record excluded because they were low relevance to research context and topics. So, the number of full-text articles assessed for eligibility were 47. And there is 5 full-text articles excluded with reason, so that final articles included in review were 42 articles. The next step on this scoping review was charting the selected articles. After each study is perceived to be included in the inclusion criteria, Summaries are developed for each article with several variables including the author, year, participant, chemistry topic, pedagogical approaches or models, and learning outcome or expected result as shown in Table 2. The last step is summarizing and reporting findings. The chemistry topic that presented in AR application can be seen on this chart, such as complex molecules, periodic table of the elements, laboratory equipment, organic chemistry reaction, colorimetric titration, stereochemistry, electrochemistry, acid-base reaction, chemical elements, alkanes and cycloalkanes, hydrocarbon, biomolecules, chemical reaction, analytical instrumentation, biochemistry laboratory safety, the composition of substance, redox reaction, enzyme kinetics, chemical bonding, molecular geometry, the making of oxygen experiment, and gases. The finding also exposed that AR applications for chemistry learning are developed with certain educational approach or models, such as game-based learning, computer-based learning, inquiry-based learning, collaborative learning, cooperative learning, collaborative problem solving, 5E learning cycle-based IR system, AR-based learning, internet or web-based learning, multimedia-based learning, experimental learning, STEM learning, experiential learning cycle, and some of them not mentioned clearly. The findings also indicates that AR has the potential to effect a transformation in learning chemistry process. It can make positive impact to various learning outcomes, such as conceptual understanding, submicroscopic representation ability, spatial ability, problem-solving abilities, motivation, interest or excitement, engagement, attitude toward lab safety, team building, communication, self-efficacy, self-determination, and technology literacy. The findings also show that only one article which aims to improve students' problem-solving abilities. In the future research, the development of AR application that aims to stimulate higher-order thinking skills is a good opportunity. The scoping review exploring the studies that aims to develop AR applications that are integrated into the chemistry learning process, which is focused on exploration about 3 aspects, including the chemistry topic that were presented in the AR application, the kind of pedagogical approaches or models were integrated with AR application, and the learning outcomes or expected result that arose through chemistry learning with AR application as support tool. Based on findings, future research opportunities are to develop an AR application for chemistry learning on topics such as basic chemistry laws, stoichiometry, thermochemistry, reaction rate, colligative properties of solution, and chemical equilibrium, because this topic has abstract concepts that require visualization. Other opportunities in the future study is design AR application in chemistry learning to improve conceptual understanding and the higher order thinking skills, such as critical thinking skill, problem solving skills, creative thinking skills, and decision making as learning outcomes. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.